empathy,
integrity,
inspiring,
transformative,
compassion,
energetic,
harnessing potential,
honesty,
humanity,
responsible.
The real journey is really just starting, but I'm really looking forward to see your change at the end of the week.
The U.S. government is so proud to support this program.
I've never seen any ASEAN meetings with this many women.
Our objective is to connect and empower women across ASEAN to solve regional and global challenges. And our vision is to educate, connect, and empower women across ASEAN.
But more by the end of the session, I hope each one of you would have decided to take charge of your brands and make it work for you in the best possible way.
Successful leadership in the 21st century really depends on the quality of your intention and attention.
Never doubt that a small group of committed, thoughtful citizens can change the world. Indeed, is the only thing that ever